Match column I with column 2I and select the correct option from the codes given below. Column I, Artificial System of Classification, Natural System of Classification, Phylogenetic System of Classification. Column 2I, Bentham and Hooker, Linnaeus, Engler and Prandtl. The correct answer is option A, which is Artificial System of Classification given by Linnaeus. Natural System of Classification is given by Bentham and Hooker, and Phylogenetic System of Classification is given by Engler and Prandtl. Artificial System of Classification were based upon option A, vegetative, option B, androecium structure, option C, habit and habitat, option D, all of these. The correct answer is option D, which is all of these. Dash system of classification were based on natural affinities among the organism. Option A, artificial, option B, natural, option C, phylogenetic, option C, sexual. The correct answer is option B, which is natural. Select the incorrect pair. Option A, numerical taxonomy, all observable characteristics. Option B, cytotaxonomy, cytological information. Option C, chemotaxonomy, chromosome number and structure. Option D, cladistic taxonomy, origin from a common ancestor. The correct answer is option C, which is chemotaxonomy, chromosome number and structure. This one is incorrect pair, because chemotaxonomic, which is based on the biochemical characteristics, not chromosome number and structure. Which out of the following are included under Tracheophyta? That means vascular plant. Option A, pteridophyte. Option B, gymnosperm. Option C, angiosperm. Option D, all of these. The correct answer is option D, which is all of these. Match column I with column 2I and select the correct option from the codes given below. Column I, A, non-vascular cryptogam. B, vascular cryptogam. C, phanerogam. Column 2I, I, gymnosperm and angiosperm. 2I, pteridophyte. 3rd I, algae and bryophyte. The correct answer is option A, which is non-vascular cryptogam are algae and bryophyte. Vascular cryptogam are pteridophyte, phanerogam, gymnosperm and angiosperm. System of classification that employ numerical data to evaluate similarities and difference is known as option A, cytotaxonomy. Option B, biosystematics. Option C, phonetics. Option D, chemotaxonomy. The correct answer is option C, which is phonetics. Artificial system gave equal weightage to vegetative and sexual characteristics. This is not applicable because often these characters are more easily affected by environment. Option A, vegetative. Option B, sexual. Option C, anatomical. Option D, physiological. The correct answer is option A, which is vegetative. The vegetative characters are easily affected by environment. Natural system of classification take into consideration option A, morphological and anatomical character. Option B, cytological and embryological characters. Option C, physiological and reproductive character. Option D, all of these. The correct answer is option D, which is all of these. Dash classification system were based on evolutionary relationship between various organisms. Option A, natural. Option B, artificial. Option C, phylogenetic. Option D, both A and B. The correct answer is option C, which is Phylogenetic. Phylogenetic classification system were based on evolutionary relationship between various organisms. A system of classification in which a large number of traits are considered as is option A artificial system, option B phylogenetic system, option C synthetic system, option D natural system. The correct answer is option D, which is natural system. Natural system of classification differ from artificial system in option A employing only one floral trait, option B employing only one vegetative trait, option C bringing out similarities and dissimilarities, option D developing evolutionary trend. The correct answer is option C, which is bringing out similarities and dissimilarities. Plant classification as proposed by Carolus Linnaeus was artificial because it was based on option A only a few morphological characters, option B all the possible characters, option C anatomical characters which are adaptive in nature, option D physiological and morphological characters. The correct answer is option A, which is only a few morphological characters. Each character is given equal importance and at the same time hundreds of characters can be considered in option A cytotaxonomy, option B morphotaxonomy, option C chemotaxonomy, option D numerical taxonomy. The correct answer is option D, which is numerical taxonomy. Read the given statement about algae and select the correct option. I. Plant body is thalloid. 2I. Largely aquatic. 3rd, reproduction by vegetative, asexual and sexual method. IV. Chlamydomonas, volvox and Ulothrix are multicellular algae. Option A. Statement I and 2I are true. Option B. Statement 2I and 3rd are true. Option C. Statement I, 2I and 3rd are true. Option D. All statements are true. The correct answer is option C, which is statement I, 2I and 3rd are true. At least a half of total CO2 fixation on Earth is carried out through photosynthesis by option A angiosperm, option B gymnosperm, option C algae, option D bryophyte. The correct answer is option C, which is algae. Dash and dash are unicellular algae rich in protein which are used as food supplement even by space traveler. Option A Chlorella spirulina, option B Gelidium gracilaria, option C Porphyra spirogyra, option D Laminaria spirogyra. The correct answer is option A, which is Chlorella and spirulina. Match column I with column 2I and select the correct option from the codes given below. Column I. A. Food, B. Agar, C. Algin, D. Carrageen. Column 2I. I. Brown algae, 2I. Porphyra, Laminaria, 3rd, Gelidium gracilaria, IV. Red algae. The correct answer is option A, which is food match with Porphyra and Laminaria, agar match with Gelidium and gracilaria, algin match with brown algae and carrageen match with red algae. Major photosynthetic pigment in green algae are option A chlorophyll A and B, option B chlorophyll A, C and fucoxanthin, option C chlorophyll A, D and phycoerythrin, option D chlorophyll A and C. The correct answer is option A, which is chlorophyll A and B. The algae shown in figure belong to the class option A Chlorophyceae, option B Phaeophyceae, option C Rhodophyceae, option C Cyanophyceae. The correct answer is option A, which is Chlorophyceae. Green algae usually have a rigid cell wall made of an inner layer of dash and an outer layer of dash. Option A. Cellulose, cellulose. Option B. Pectose and pectose. Option D. Pectose and cellulose. Option D. Cellulose and pectose. The correct answer is option D, which is cellulose and pectose. Green algae usually have a rigid cell wall made of an inner layer of cellulose and an outer layer of pectose. Which of the following is a correct match of algae class with its characteristics reserved food? Option A. Chlorophyce, starch. Option B. Phaeophyce, mannitol and laminaria. Option C. Rhodophyce, floridin starch. Option D. All of these. The correct answer is option D, which is all of these. In most green algae, pyrenoid represent the storage body located in option A. Chloroplast. Option B. Mitochondria. Option C. Cytoplasm. Option D. Nucleus. The correct answer is option A, which is chloroplast. Cup-shaped chloroplast is present in option A. Spirogyra. Option B. Chlamydomonas. Option C. Ulothrix. Option D. Cara. The correct answer is option B, which is Chlamydomonas. Fusion of two gametes which are dissimilar in size is termed as option A. Ogamy. Option B. Isogamy. Option C. Anisogamy. Option D. Both A and C. The correct answer is option D, which is both A and C. Which of the following pigments are found in brown algae? Option A. Chlorophyll A and chlorophyll C. Option B. Chlorophyll A and chlorophyll D. Option C. Chlorophyll A, chlorophyll C and fucoxanthin. Option D. Chlorophyll A and phycoerythrin. The correct answer is option C, which is chlorophyll A, chlorophyll C and fucoxanthin. Pigments are found in brown algae. Laminarin and mannitol, the reserve food of brown algae, are option A. Lipids. Option B. Complex carbohydrate. Option C. Protein. Option D. Lipoprotein. The correct answer is option B, which is complex carbohydrate. Identify the given figure of algae and select the correct option. Option A. Fucus polysiphonia. Option B. Dictyota polysiphonia. Option C. Dictyota porphyra. Option D. Porphyra polysiphonia. The correct answer is option B, which is Dictyota and polysiphonia. Figure A represent the Dictyota and figure B represent the polysiphonia. Which out of the following does not belong to brown algae? Option A. Gelidium, Batrachosporum. Option B. Ectocarpus, Dictyota. Option C. Laminaria, Fucus. Option D. Sargassum, Ectocarpus. The correct answer is option A. Gelidium and Batrachosporum. Which of the following statement about Phaeophyce is incorrect? Option A. Vegetative reproduction occur by fragmentation. Option B. Asexual reproduction is a flagellated pear-shaped zoospore. Option C. In sexual reproduction, gametes are pyriform and bear two laterally attached flagella. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is option is D, which is none of these. Select the correct match of algal class and its characteristics flagellation. Option A. Chlorophyce 2 to 8 equal apical. Option B. Phaeophyce 2 unequal lateral. Option C. Rhodophyce absent. Option D. All of these. The correct answer is option D, which is all of these. Photosynthetic pigment of Rhodophyce are option A. Chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B. Option B. Chlorophyll A, C and fucoxanthin. Option C. Chlorophyll A and D. Option D. Chlorophyll A, D and phycoerythrin. The correct answer is option D, which is chlorophyll A, D and phycoerythrin. Read the given statement and select the correct option. Statement 1. Volvox form spherical colony. Statement 2. Volvox colony is made up of non-motile cell. Option A. Both statement 1 and 2 are correct and statement 2 is the correct explanation of statement 1. Option B. Both statement 1 and 2 are correct but statement 2 is not the correct explanation of statement 1. Option C. Statement 1 is correct and statement 2 is incorrect. And option D is both statement 1 and 2 are incorrect. The correct answer is option C, which is statement 1 is correct but statement 2 is incorrect. Batrachospermum is a option A red algae of sea, option B brown algae, option C blue algae, option D red algae of fresh water. The correct answer is option D, which is red algae of fresh water. Phycoerythrin is present in option A Euglena, option B Polysiphonia, option C Chlamydomonas, option D Fucus. The correct answer is option B, which is Polysiphonia. Which types of sexual reproduction is found in Volvox? Option A isogamous, option B anisogamous, option C ogamous, option D all of these. The correct answer is option C, which is ogamous. The seaweeds that form the underwater forest are option A clades, option B laminaria, option C macrosites, option D all of these. The correct answer is option D, which is all of these. Phycoerythrin, chlorophyll A and chlorophyll D are characteristics of option A Phaeophyce, option B Xanthophyce, option C Chlorophyce, option D Rhodophyce. The correct answer is option D, which is Rhodophyce. In Eulothrix, sexual reproduction is by option A isogamy, option B anisogamy, option C oogamy, option D conjugation. The correct answer is option A, which is isogamy. Which of the following cannot fix nitrogen? Option A nostoc, option B azotobacter, option C Spirogyra, option D Anobana. The correct answer is option C, which is Spirogyra. Agar-agar is commercially obtained from option A green algae, option B blue green algae, option C brown algae, option D red algae. The correct answer is option D, which is red algae. Seaweeds are a source of option A chlorine, option B fluorine, option C bromine, option D iodine. The correct answer is option D, which is iodine. Fusion between morphologically alike gamete is referred to as option A isogamy, option B anisogamy, option C oogamy, option D syngamy. The correct answer is option A, which is isogamy. The common example of red algae is option A Porphyra, option B Batrachospermum, option C Ectocarpus, option D both A and B. The correct answer is option D, which is both A and B. Select the incorrect statement regarding reproduction in Rhodophyce. Option A asexual reproduction occurs by motile gametes, option B sexual reproduction occurs by motile gametes, option C sexual reproduction is oogamous, option D complex post-fertilization development event occurs. The correct answer is option B, which is sexual reproduction occur by motile gametes. Which is the characteristics branching pattern of Dictyota thallus? Option A monopodial, option B excurrent, option C dichotomous, option D deliquescent. The correct answer is option C, which is dichotomous. A member of class Chlorophyce is option A Chlamydomonas, option B Volvox, option C Eulothrix, option D, all of these. The correct answer is option D, which is all of these. Match column I with column 2I and select the correct option from the codes given below. Column I. A. Spirogyra. B. Chlamydomonas. C. Volvox. D. Some gigant marine form. Column 2I. I. Unicellular. 2I. Filamentous. 3rd I. Colonial form. IV. Clave. The correct answer is option A. Spirogyra match with filamentous, Chlamydomonas match with unicellular, Volvox match with colonial form, some giant marine form match with claves. The members of Phaeophyceae or brown algae are found primarily in or on option A fresh water, option B marine water, option C terrestrial habit, option D rock. The correct answer is option B, which is marine water. Each cell of Volvox colony has a structure similar to option A Eulothrix, option B Spirogyra, option C Chlamydomonas, option D nostoc. The correct answer is option C, which is Chlamydomonas. The prominent phase in the life cycle of bryophyte is option A gametophyte, option B sporophyte, option C seta, option D sporangium. The correct answer is option A, which is gametophyte. Gametophytic generation is dominant in option A gymnosperm, option B bryophyte, option C pteridophytes, option D angiosperm. The correct answer is option B, which is bryophyte. Gamma are multicellular green structure for vegetative propagation. These are found inside gamma cup in option A Rixia capsule, option B Mercansia thallus, option C Funaria protonema, option D Fern protothallus. The correct answer is option B, which is Mercansia thallus. Funaria require water because option A fertilization occur in water only, option B Funaria is a hydrophyte, option C plant need water for gametogenesis, option D gametangia cannot develop without water. The correct answer is option A, which is fertilization occur in water only. Asexual reproduction in liverwort takes place by option A fragmentation of thalli and gamma formation, option B gamma formation and diploid spore formation, option C spores formation and isogamy, option D fragmentation and zoospore formation. The correct answer is option A fragmentation of thalli and gamma formation. The embryonic development in bryophytes takes place in the option A protonema, option B sporangium, option C antheridium, option D archegonium. The correct answer is option D, which is archegonium. Select the option that correctly identify A and B in the given figure. Option A sporophyte, gametophyte, option B gametophyte, sporophyte, option C male shoot, female shoot, option D female shoot, male shoot. The correct answer is option A. Figure A represents sporophyte and figure B represents gametophyte. Read the given statement and select the correct option. Statement 1. Bryophytes are amphibian of plant kingdom. Statement 2. They live in soil but depend on water for sexual reproduction. Option A. Both statement 1 and 2 are correct and statement 2 is the correct explanation of statement 1. Option B. Both statement 1 and 2 are correct but the statement 2 is the not correct explanation of statement 1. Option C. Statement 1 is correct and statement 2 is incorrect. Option D. Both statement 1 and 2 are incorrect. The correct answer is option A, which is both statement 1 and 2 are correct and the statement 2 is the correct explanation of Statement 1. Read the given statement and select the correct option. Statement 1. Each swarm of moths has 2 flagella. Statement 2. Water is essential for fertilization of mosses. Option A. Both statement 1 and 2 are correct and the statement 2 is the correct explanation of statement 1. Option B. Both statement 1 and 2 are correct but statement 2 is not correct explanation of statement 1. Option C. Statement 1 is correct and statement 2 is incorrect. Option D. Both statement 1 and 2 are incorrect. The correct answer is option B, which is both statement 1 and 2 are correct but statement 2 is not correct explanation of statement 1. Select the option that correctly identify A, B and C in the given figure of female thallus of Markensia. Option A. Anthridiophore gamak of rhizoids. Option B. Anthridiophore rhizoids gamak of. Option C. Anthridiophore gamak of rhizoids. Option D. Anthridiophore rhizoids gamak of. The correct answer is option C. From the given figure, A represent Anthridiophore, B represent gamak of, C represent rhizoids. Resemblance between algae and bryophytes include option A. Presence of root-like, stem-like and leaf-like structure. Option B. Thallus-like plant body, lack of vascular tissue, autotrophic nutrition. Option C. Thallus-like plant body, presence of vascular tissue, autotrophic nutrition. Option D. Presence of root, heterotrophic nutrition. The correct answer is option B, which is thallus-like plant body, lack of vascular tissue, autotrophic nutrition. A moss sperm moves by means of option A. Pseudopodia, option B. Cilia, option C. Flagella, option D. Any of these. The correct answer is option C, which is flagella. In Funaria, the haploid structure is option A. Protonema, option B. Capsule, option C. Columella, option D. Seta. The correct answer is option A, which is protonema. The sporophyte is attached to the gametophyte in option A. Algae, option B. Fungi, option C. Bryophytes, option C. D. Pteridophytes. The correct answer is option C, which is bryophytes. Fast land inhabiting plants are option A. Bryophytes, option B. Angiosperm, option C. Gymnosperm, option D. Pteridophytes. The correct answer is option B, which is bryophytes. Which is the predominant phase in the life cycle of a bryophyte? Option A. Gametophyte, option B. Capsule, option C. Seta, option D. Sporophyte. The correct answer is option A, which is gametophyte. In bryophytes, option A. Sporophyte are depend upon gametophytes. Option B. Sporophyte and gametophyte generation are independent. Option C. Sporophyte in itself complete the life cycle. Option D. Gametophytes are depend upon sporophyte. The correct answer is option A, which is sporophytes are depend upon gametophytes. Gamma are asexual reproductive bodies of option A. Gymnosperm, option B. Mosses, option C. Liverwort, option D. Angiosperm. The correct answer is option C, which is liverwort. Bryophytes included option A. Liverwort and fern, option B. Mosses and fern, option C. Mosses and liverwort, option D. All of these. The correct answer is option C, which is mosses and liverwort. The female sex organ in Rixia and Funaria is option A. Anthridium, option B. Paraphysis, option C. Archegonium, option D. Oogonium. The correct answer is option C, which is Archegonium. A sterile jacket around gametangia is found among option A. Bryophytes, option B. Lichen, option C. Algae, option D. Fungi. The correct answer is option A, which is bryophytes. The moss which form densely extensive mud on the soil prevents option A. Uprooting of trees, option B. Soil erosion, option C. Falling of leaves, option D. Evaporation of water from the soil. The correct answer is option B, which is soil erosion. The sporophytic phase in Funaria is well developed and composed of option A. Capsule only, option B. Spore sac, option C. Food and capsule, option D. Food, seta and capsule. The correct answer is option D, which is food, seta and capsule. Select the option that includes liverworts only. Option A. Rixia markensia, option B. Rixia funaria, option C. Polytrichum markensia, option D. Both A and C. The correct answer is option A, which is Rixia and markensia. Which of the following is not moss? Option A. Polytrichum, option B. Sphagnum, option C. Funaria, option D. Rixia. The correct answer is option D, which is Rixia. Read the following statement regarding bryophytes and select the correct answer. I. Lack true roots, stem and leaves. 2I. Main plant body is haploid. 3rd, sex organ are unicellular and non-jacketed. IV. Fertilization produce an embryo inside the water. The options are option A. Statement I and 2I are correct. B. Statement 2I and 3rd are correct. C. Statement 3rd and IV are correct. Option D. All statements are correct. The correct answer is option A, which is statement I and 2I are correct. Which of the following option correctly identify the plant shown in figure and the group it belongs to? Option A. Selaginella eridophyte. Option B. Sphagnum moss. Option C. Sphagnum liverwort. Option D. Funaria moss. The correct answer is option B, which is Sphagnum moss. The plant is sphagnum and which belongs to the group of moss. Peat obtained from sphagnum moss is used as option A. Fuel, option B. Manure, option C. Corrosive, option D. Both A and B. The correct answer is option D, which is both A and B. Which of the following statement is incorrect? Option A. Mosses along with lichen are the first organism to colonize rock. Option B. Sphagnum is used as packing material for transportation of living material. Option C. In liverwort, spores are produced after meiosis within the capsule. Option D. Funaria possesses unicellular on-branch rhizome. The correct answer is option D, which is Funaria possesses unicellular on-branch rhizome. This statement is incorrect statement. Gamma are the specialized structure produced in liverwort. These are option A. Non-green multicellular asexual buds which develop in gamma cup. Option B. Green multicellular asexual buds which develop in gamma cup. Option C. Non-green multicellular diploid sexual spore. Option D. Green unicellular diploid sexual spore. The correct answer is option B, which is green multicellular asexual buds which develop in gamma cup. Identify the plant shown in figure and select the correct option. Option A. Sphagnum dictuata. Option B. Selaginella jingo. Option C. Selaginella salvinia. Option D. Cycas jingo. The correct answer is option B, which is Selaginella and jingo. Picture A represent the Selaginella and the picture B is represent jingo. In pteridophytes, main plant body is I, which is 2I into true, stem and leaves. Fill the blanks in above statement and select the correct option. Option A. Sporophyte differentiated. Option B. Sporophyte non-differentiated. Option C. Gametophyte differentiated. Option D. Gametophyte non-differentiated. The correct answer is option A, which is sporophyte and differentiated. Read the given statement and select the correct option. Statement 1. Main plant body of bryophyte is sporophytic. Statement 2. Main plant body of pteridophyte is gametophytic. Option A. Both statement 1 and 2 are correct and statement 2 is the correct explanation of statement 1. Option B. Both statement 1 and 2 are correct but statement 2 is not correct explanation of statement 1. Option C. Statement 1 is correct and statement 2 is incorrect. Option D. Both statement 1 and 2 are incorrect. The correct answer is option D, which is both statement 1 and 2 are incorrect. In pteridophytes, a spore germinate to produce option A. Sporophyte. Option B. Sporogonium. Option C. Prothallus. Option D. Microsporophyle. The correct answer is option C, which is Prothallus. The spread of pteridophytes is limited and is restricted to narrow geographical region because of option A. Gametophytic growth needs cool, damp and shady place. Option B. Requirement of water for fertilization. Option C. Absence of stomata in leaf and absence of vascular tissue. Option D. Both A and B. The correct answer is option D, which is both A and B. In pteridophyte, Prothallus produce option A. Sporangia. Option B. Antheridia and Archegonia. Option C. Vascular tissue. Option D. Root, stem and leaf. The correct answer is option B, which is Antheridia and Archegonia. The heterosporous pteridophytes are option A. Lycopodium and Pteris. Option B. Selaginella and Xylotum. Option C. Selaginella and Salvinia. Option D. Dryopteris and Adiantum. The correct answer is option C, which is Selaginella and Salvinia. Identify the parts label A and B in the given figure of equisetum and select the correct option. Option A. Strobilus, rhizome. Option B. Sporophytes, tuber. Option C. Sporangia, rhizome. Option D. Sporophyte, tuber. The correct answer is option A, which is Strobilus and rhizome. The given figure shown A or N. Option A. Adiantum plant. Option B. Dryopteris plant. Option C. Cedrus leaf. Option D. Acacia leaf. The correct answer is option B, which is Dryopteris plant. Which of the following is an aquatic fall? Option A. Adiantum. Option B. Dryopteris. Option C. Salvinia. Option D. Equisetum. The correct answer is option C, which is Salvinia. Heterosporous pteridophytes show certain characteristics which are precursor to the seed habit in gymnosperm. One of such characteristics is option A. Presence of vascular tissue. Option B. External water required for fertilization. Option C. Presence of embryo stage. Option D. Development of embryo inside female gametophyte. The correct answer is option D, which is development of embryo inside female gametophyte. Match column I with column 2I and select the correct option from the codes given below. Column I. Xylopsida, Lycopsida, Spanopsida, Pteridopsida. Column 2I. Xylotum, Equisetum, Selaginella, Dryopteris. The correct answer is option C, which is Xylopsida match with Xylotum, Lycopsida match with Selaginella, Spanopsida match with Equisetum and Pteridopsida match with Dryopteris. Plants which possesses seeds but not fruits are option A. Bryophytes. Option B. Pteridophytes. Option C. Gymnosperm. Option D. Angiosperm. The correct answer is option C, which is Gymnosperm. Select the correct pattern of arrangement of reproductive structure for gymnosperm. Option A. Spore, sporophyll, sporangia, strobili. Option B. Spore, sporangia, sporophyll, strobili. Option C. Sporangia, sporophyll, spore, strobili. Option D. Spore, sporangia, strobili, sporophyll. The correct answer is option B, which is spore, then sporangia, then sporophyll, then strobili. Which of the following statement is incorrect about cycas? Option A. It has on-branch stem. Option B. It possesses pinnately compound leaves. Option C. It is a dioecious plant. Option D. It is a non-archegonid plant. The correct answer is option D, which is it is a non-archegonid plant. Dash do not have free-living gametophyte. Option A. Bryophytes. Option B. Pteridophytes. Option C. Gymnosperm. Option D. Both B and C. The correct answer is option C, which is gymnosperm. Seed plants are all. Option A. Heterosporous. Option B. Dioecious. Option C. Monoecious. Option D. Homosporous. The correct answer is option A, which is heterosporous. Gymnosperm are referred to as naked seeded plant because option A. They lack ovule. Option B. They lack ovaries. Option C. They have no seed coat. Option D. The embryo is unprotected. The correct answer is option B, which is they lack ovaries. The leaves of gymnosperm are well adapted to withstand extreme of temperature, humidity and wind because of which of the following feature? Option A. Needle-like leaves. Option B. Thick cuticle. Option C. Sunken stomata. Option D. All of these. The correct answer is option D, which is all of these. Study the given statement about gymnosperm and select the correct option. I. Mode of fertilization is siphonogamy. 2I. Male and female cone are born on same tree in Pinus. Third I. Endosperm present female gametophyte. Option A. Statement I and 2I are correct. Option B. Statement I and third I are correct. Option C. Statement I and third I are correct. Option D. Statement I, 2I and third I are correct. The correct answer is option D, which is statement I, 2I and third I are correct. Which of the following gymnosperm has branch stem? Option A. Pinus. Option B. Cycas. Option C. Cedrus. Option D. Both A and C. The correct answer is option D, which is both A and C. Pinus and Cedrus. Coralloid roots of dash have symbiotic association with nitrogen fixing cyanobacteria. Option A. Pinus. Option B. Cedrus. Option C. Cycas. Option D. Ginkgo. The correct answer is option C, which is Cycas. Mycorrhizal roots of dash are associated with some fungal symbiont. Option A. Pinus. Option B. Cedrus. Option C. Cycas. Option D. Ginkgo. The correct answer is option A, which is Pinus. Match column I with column 2I and select the correct option from the codes given below. Column I. Sagopam, Chilgoza fruit, ephedrine drug, cedar wood oil. Column 2I. Ephedra, Pinus, Gerardiana, Cycas, Revoluta, Juniperus, Virginiana. The correct answer is option B, which is Sagopam match with Cycas revoluta, Chilgoza fruit match with Pinus Gerardiana, ephedrine drug match with Ephedra, cedar wood oil match with Juniperus virginiana. Canada balsam, a mounting agent used to make permanent slide, is obtained from the species of option A. Abies, option B. Cedrus, option C. Pinus, option D. Juniperus. The correct answer is option A, which is Abies. Select the mismatch pair. Option A, cycas, living fossil. Option B, thuja, agar production. Option C, pinus, resin, turpentine production. Option D, Araucaria, ornamental plant. The correct answer is option B, which is thuja, agar production. Gymnosperm do not include option A, herbs, option B, shrub, option C, trees. Option D, both A and B. The correct answer is option A, which is herbs. Gymnosperm called as a living fossil is option A, cycas, option B, ginkgo, option C, juniperus, option D, both A and B. The correct answer is option D, which is both A and B. In Pinus, male strobilus bear a large number of option A, anther, option B, stamen, option C, microsporophyll, option D, megasporophyll. The correct answer is option C, which is microsporophyll. Megasporophyll of gymnosperm is homologous to dash of angiosperm. Option A, stamen, option B, carpel, option C, sepal, option D, petal. The correct answer is option B, which is carpel. Gymnosperm do not bear fruits because they do not have option A, seeds, option B, ovary, option C, ovule, option D, pollination. The correct answer is option B, which is ovary. Which of the following structure are haploid in gymnosperm? Option A, pollen grain, megaspore, embryo. Option B, pollen grain, megaspore, endosperm. Option C, megaspore, leaf, root. Option D, leaf, root, integument. The correct answer is option B, which is pollen grain, megaspore and endosperm. Identify the gymnosperm shown in figure and select the correct option. Option A, cycas, cedrus. Option B, pinus, cycas. Option C, ginkgo, pinus. Option D, cycas, ginkgo. The correct answer is option A, which is figure A represents cycas and figure B represents cedrus. Heterospory is found in some member of dash and all member of dash. Option A, Bryophyta, Pteridophyta. Option B, Pteridophyta, Bryophyta. Option C, Bryophyta, Gymnospermy. Option D, Pteridophyta, Spermatophyta. The correct answer is option D, which is Pteridophyta and Spermatophyta. The given figure shows two phases A and B of a typical angiospermic life cycle. Select the correct option regarding it. Option A, gametophytic generation, sporophytic generation. Option B, sporophytic generation, gametophytic generation. Option C, sporophytic generation, sporophytic generation. Option D, gametophytic generation, gametophytic generation. The correct answer is option A. The figure A is gametophytic generation and figure B is sporophytic generation. Select the mismatch pair. Option A, amphibians of plant kingdom, bryophyte. Option B, fast terrestrial plant who possesses vascular tissue, gymnosperm. Option C, water required for fertilization, pteridophyte. Option D, seeds enclosed in fruits, angiosperm. The correct answer is option B, first terrestrial plant who possesses vascular tissue, gymnosperm. This one is incorrect because first terrestrial plants to possesses vascular tissue is pteridophyte, not gymnosperm. The sporophyte is the dominant phase in option A, pteridophyte. Option B, gymnosperm. Option C, angiosperm. Option D, all of these. The correct answer is option D, which is all of these. In angiosperm, functional megaspore develop into option A, embryo sac. Option B, ovule. Option C, endosperm. Option D, pollen sac. The correct answer is option A, which is embryo sac. Match the column I with column 2I and select the correct option from the codes given below. Column I, pteris, cedrus, Soncus, Markensia. Column 2I, Bryophytes, Pteridophytes, Gymnosperm, Angiosperm. The correct answer is option A, which is Pteris match with Pteridophyte, Cedros match with Gymnosperm, Soncus match with Angiosperm, Markensia match with Bryophytes. Select the mismatch pair. Option A, smallest angiosperm, Rafflesia. Option B, tallest angiosperm, Eucalyptus regnans. Option C, marine angiosperm, Zostera thalasia. Option D, angiosperm with smallest seed, Orchid. The correct answer is option A, which is smallest angiosperm, Rafflesia. This one is mismatch pair because smallest angiosperm is Olfia, not Rafflesia. In double fertilization, one male gamete fuse with I to form zygote and the male gamete fuse with 2I to form primary endosperm nucleus. Option A, synergid antipodal. Option B, egg antipodal. Option C, egg secondary nucleus. Option D, egg synergid. The correct answer is option C, which is egg and secondary nucleus. In double fertilization, one male gamete fuse with egg to form zygote and the other male gamete fuse with secondary nucleus to form endosperm. Angiosperm A and B shown in figure belong to the class dash and dash respectively. Option A, dicotyledony, monocotyledony. Option B, monocotyledony, dicotyledony. Option C, monocotyledony, monocotyledony. Option D, dicotyledony, dicotyledony. The correct answer is option B, which is the figure A is monocotyledon plant and figure B is dicotyledon plant. Which of the following characters represent the affinities of Netum with angiosperm and differences with Cycas and Pinus? Option A, presence of xylem vessels and absence of archegonia. Option B, perianth and two integument. Option C, embryo development and apical meristem. Option D, absence of resin duct and leaf venation. The correct answer is option A, which is presence of xylem vessels and absence of archegonia. Read the given statement and select the incorrect one. I, sporophyte in mosses in more elaborated than that in liverwort. 2I, Salvinia is homosporous. 3rd I, life cycle in all spermatophyte is diplontic. IV, in Cycas, male cone and megasporophiles are born on the same trees. The correct answer is option C, which is 2I and IV. Salvinia is homosporous and in Cycas, male cone and megasporophyll are born on a same tree are incorrect statement. Haplontic life cycle generally occur in option A, most algae. Option B, bryophyte. Option C, pteridophyte. Option D, gymnosperm. The correct answer is option A, which is most algae. Haplodiplontic life cycle is found in option A, bryophytes. Option B, pteridophytes. Option C, fungi. Option D, both A and B. The correct answer is option D, which is both A and B. Which kind of life cycle pattern is exhibited by seed-bearing plant? Option A, haplontic. Option B, diplontic. Option C, haplodiplontic. Option D, all of this. The correct answer is option B, which is diplontic. In dash, a dominant and independent haploid gametophyte alternate with a short-lived dependent sporophyte. Option A, algae. Option B, bryophyte. Option C, pteridophytes. Option D, gymnosperm. The correct answer is option B, which is bryophytes. In dash a dominant and independent diploid sporophyte alternate with a short-lived independent haploid gametophyte. Option A, algae. Option B, bryophytes. Option C, pteridophytes. Option D, gymnosperm. The correct answer is option C, which is pteridophyte. In pteridophytes, a dominant and independent diploid sporophyte alternate with a short-lived independent haploid gametophytes. Read the given statement and select the correct option. Statement I. Bryophytes show alternation of generation. Statement 2I. A haploid gametophytic generation and a diploid sporophytic generation alternate in the life cycle. Option A. Both statement 1 and 2 are correct and statement 2 is the correct explanation of statement 1. Option B. Both statement 1 and 2 are correct but statement 2 is not correct explanation of statement 1. Option C. Statement 1 is correct and statement 2 is incorrect. Option D. Both statement 1 and 2 are incorrect. The correct answer is option A, which is both statement 1 and 2 are correct and statement 2 is the correct explanation of statement 1. Cyanobacteria are classified under option A, Protista, option B, Plantae, option C, Monera, option D, Algae. The correct answer is option C, which is Monera. Fusion of two motile gametes which are dissimilar in size is termed as option A, Ogamy, option B, Isogamy, option C, Anisogamy, option D, Zoogamy. The correct answer is option C, which is Anisogamy. Holdfast type and frond constitute the plant body in case of option A, Rhodophyceae, option B, Chlorophyceae, option C, Phaeophyceae, option D, all of these. The correct answer is option C, which is Phaeophyceae. A plant shows thallus level of organization. It shows rhizoids and is haploid. It needs water to complete its life cycle because the male gamete are motile. It may belong to option A, pteridophyte, option B, gymnosperm, option C, monocot, option C, bryophyte. The correct answer is option D, which is bryophytes. A prothallus is option A structure in pteridophytes formed before the thallus developed. Option B, a sporophytes free-living structure formed in pteridophytes. Option C, a gametophyte free-living structure formed in the pteridophyte. Option D, a primitive structure after fertilization in pteridophytes. The correct answer is option C, which is a gametophyte free-living structure formed in pteridophytes. Plants of this group are diploid and well adapted to extreme conditions. They grow bearing sporophytes in compact structure called cone. The group in reference is option A, monocots, option B, dicots, option C, pteridophytes, option D, gymnosperm. The correct answer is option D, which is gymnosperm. The embryo sac of an angiosperm is made up of option A, 8 cell, option B, 7 cell and 8 nuclei, option C, 8 nuclei, option D, 7 cells and 7 nuclei. The correct answer is option B, which is 7 cells and 8 nuclei. If the diploid number of a flowering plant is 36, what would be the chromosome number in its endosperm? Option A, 36, option B, 18, option C, 54, option D, 72. The correct answer is option C, which is 54, because the endosperm is triploid in nature. Protonema is option A, haploid and is found in mosses. Option B, diploid and is found in liverwort. Option C, diploid and is found in pteridophytes. Option D, haploid and is found in pteridophyte. The correct answer is option A, which is haploid and is found in mosses. The giant redwood tree Sequoia sempervirens is A or N. Option A. Angiosperm. Option B. Free fall. Option C. Pteridophytes. Option D. Gymnosperm. The correct answer is option D, which is gymnosperm.